what would be your 3 top tips?
3 top tips, we've already mentioned it, just keep it simple. If you're doing repeat blends and you want to see how blend A compares to blend B, keep it simple. Don't put any fancy chemometrics in there that kind of cloud your judgment. I would always say on site, have a project owner, have a SME. In other words, whoever I want to work with, we have good correspondence on a regular basis, and they become the subject matter experts. So I always like to have one dedicated person, point of contact. It means that they get to understand as much as possible, and we got that continuity, one less variable if we're swapping. Obviously, don't get me wrong, we train other people up, but to have the one point of contact who becomes an SME is important.
That's worked well for us.
It has worked, yeah, it works really well. And I suppose the last thing is just to ask if you've got any questions. It's so easy just to pick up the phone. Teams has made life a lot easier.
Yes, yours there.
Half an hour Teams call often is saving 100 emails.